So here is how you guys can use X Arena on Infinix Hot 60 Pro. So you have a dedicated app for that. So just launch X Arena from here, type your X Arena and it should launch just like that. So this is made purely for gaming. So in this application you can do a lot of stuff here, so I'm just going to show you what you can do here. First thing is that you can log in your account. You can also change the voices if you wanted to. So let's try with Oliva and let's record here. Hello, this is Haxoid Gaming and you are watching my YouTube channel. Play this.
Hello, this is Haxoid Gaming and you are watching my YouTube channel.
By using this magic voice changer, you can prank your friends and family. This is it for the magic voice. You can literally see that it shows the how much RAM is being consumed and CPU and your storage been used, your GPU as well. You can see the application information from here as well. For example, Free Fire. I have played this for 18 minutes only. You can see that. So you can tap on this one and go to app details to view the app details, which is not that mandatory, but you can go from your home screen as well. So now let's try on X Boost. So here is the game changing settings that you guys can go. So you don't want it to use the power saving mode because it will give you nasty lag, and equilibrium mode if you wanted to do balance stuff, and performance mode is here, so you will get performance from video quality and control as well. And you can go to GPU setting. So you don't want it to crank up this anisotropic filtering because this will just level up the texture filtering, which requires a lot of GPU processing unit. You don't want it to turn this on. So the texture filter must be on speed first, because if you wanted to go on quality, you will definitely lose some FPS. So if you wanted to get high FPS, go with speed first, and if you wanted to get the best quality, and if you don't care about the lag stuff, you can go to quality. Next here is the control. This is for only esport shooting games like Mobile Legends. So you can turn this on, but you can literally see that device temperature will rise up if you use this. So you can turn this off, only turn this on if you need it. So if you think you have done something bad, you can still restore the setting to default. You can do this to a lot of other games as well, like Mobile Bang Bang here, PUBG Mobile. So on Asphalt 8 you can see there is no control setting because this is not an esport gaming. So if you tap on this setting gear icon, you will see something like sound effects, game status detection, and storage control, and also access to Arena. And if you go to this three dot icon, you can go to game management and try to add games that is not included here, which X Arena thinks it is not a game. And also you have the game storage. So with this one you can declutter your home screen and pull up all the game on X Arena, and you can literally launch from X Arena. So just enable this. Two games are been saved, which is Asphalt and Free Fire right now, because I have both game here. It is been removed from my, you can see that there is no games here because it is moved on X Arena here, and you need to simply launch from here. So well, that's it for the X Arena guide, and hope you like this guide. See you in next Infinix Hot Pro tutorial.